Students, I am Nasira, your SS teacher. I am going to take SS for you. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we begin our social science class. Welcome to the class. Are you ready to listen the class? Okay, we are going to begin our social science class. Social science is a new subject for you. In the second standard and first standard, you have studied EVS. This EVS is divided into two, social science and science. Here we are going to discuss about social science. Social science, in this subject we are going to study human society, man and his society and his relationship. Okay, let us start our block. Okay, we can start our first block, block 1. Role of family. Name of the block is role of family. Role of family. Family, that word is very familiar with you. Yeah. Isn't it? Yes, that you have studied in the second standard and first standard EVS classes. Family, that familiar word. Do you know what is family? What is family? Yes, family means, you know what is family. What is family? Family means people who living in a same house. People who living in a same house is known as family. People who living in a same house is known as family. We all have a family. I have a family. You have a family. All of us have a family. Who do you usually eat dinner with or watching TV? Go on holidays. When you get holidays, go on picnic. Who do you usually doing this with things with? Most of us usually doing this all things with our family members. Right? Most of us usually doing this all things, eating dinner with our family members. And when we are getting holidays, we are going picnic with our family members. Would you like to do all these things alone? No, we don't like to do these things alone. Why? Because family is important. We all the people like to live with their loved ones. We also like to live with our loved ones. Isn't it right? Do you like to live alone? No, we not like to live alone. We all are like to live with our family members. Okay. We all are coming from a family or belongs to a family, right? You are coming from one family and I am coming from another family. Your friends are coming from another family. These all are coming from different families. Your friends are coming from a family. Your neighbors are coming from family. All of us have a family. Do all these families are same? Yes or no? Do all families are same? No, families are not same. I will show some pictures of the family. Here, there are some pictures of family. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pictures are there. Here, there are, look this picture carefully. Here, there are some families. In the first picture, there are many members. Look this. Here only 2 members and here there are few members. Here there are many members. What do you understand from this picture? Can you understand any differences between this picture? Yes, we can understand family can be big or small, or members of the family is different. Number of the members of the family. In some family there are many members, in some family there are few members. So numbers of the family is different. So each family is different from each other. Through this picture we can understand that there are different kind of family. Today we are going to discuss about different kind of families. Kinds of families. Through this picture we can understand family can be big or family can be small. So there are main two kind of families. Big family or small family. In a big family, there are many members living together in same house. In a big family, there are many members living together. Many people living together in a family. This kind of family is known as big family, or this family is also known as joint family. This family is also known as joint family. Here were parents, grandparents, uncle and all these members are living together in a joint family or big family. In a big family there are many members living together where grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt and cousins living together in a same house. This kind of family is known as joint family. Next kind of family is small family. This family is also known as nuclear family. What is it known as? Nuclear family. This kind of family is also known as nuclear family. In a nuclear family, parents and their children living together in a same house. This kind of family is known as nuclear family or small family. So these are the some kind of family, big family or small family. Do you know any other kind of families? Do you know any other kind of families? Yes, we have some kind of families too. In some families there is father and his children and mother and her children living together. This kind of family is also known as single parent family. Single parent family. Look here, I will show one picture to you. Here, look here. Here father and mother, father and his children only living in same house. This kind of family is known as single parent family. Here also mother and her children living together. That kind of family is known as single parent family. In some families, fathers went to cities with their brothers to find a job and they stayed there as a family. Here the wives usually lives with their laws and their children. Parents went to other cities to find a job with their brothers, and they stayed as a family. Here, wives usually stay with their laws and their children. For example, in our family, our parents went to abroad or Gulf countries or any other countries or any other cities. They live with their brothers or cousin brothers as a family. Here we all are living with our mother or grandparents. Right? This is an example of another kind of family. Next, grandparent family. Grandparent family. In a grandparent family, grandparents and their grandchildren living together. Okay, these are some kind of families. Do you understand? I hope you understood this. Family means people who living in a same house is known as family. Here there are different kinds of family: big family, small family, single parent family, and grandparent family. But the important kind of families are big family and a small family. Do you understand which are the big family and which are the small family? In a big family, there are many members living together, and in a nuclear family, parents and their children only living together. Okay, if you understand this, we can move to next topic or next point in this blog. Before that, I will tell a story. Priya and Ravi, they are friends. They are looking a photograph, family photo of Priya. Priya's family photo. They are looking Priya's family photo. Ravi pointed a woman. Who is this lady? Your nose, your eyes look same as hers. Priya smiled and she replied that she is my mother. And she is also showed another picture. It shows her brother and her father. And he said that in my family, I am look like my mother and my brother look like my father. Do you understand anything from this story? Yes, we can understand that children are similar to their parent. Next, we are going to discuss family members are similar or different. Looking similar or different. Looking similar or different. Family members are looking similar or different. In Priya's stories, we can understand that Priya look like her mother and Priya's brother look like her father. Right? Okay. Do you think that you look like someone in your family? Yes, you look like someone in your family. So you have to find out it from you. Just look your family photo and find out who do you look like. Right? Then write it down in your SS notebook. Who do you look like? Ready? Okay. Not now. After this class, you have to look your family picture and find out who do you look like and write down on your notebook who do you look like. Okay. Then let's move. Family members looking similar. Family members, often family members looking similar. Looking similar. Here Priya's story, Priya and her mother and Priya's brother and her sister look like. Do you think that do all have family? Do we all look like our parents? Here Priya and her brother look like her parent. Do you think that we all look like our parents? No, we all look like, sometimes we look like our parents. We look similar to our nose, similar eyes and similar color to our parents. Sometimes we have or we look like our grandparents, our grandmothers, or our brother, sister, uncle, aunt. So siblings may similar. Siblings may similar. Siblings may similar. Then if in a family most of the family members are look like same, can you think that two person in a family can be different? In what ways two person in a family can be different? Do you know in what ways two persons in a family looking similar, how they can be different? It can be the family members can be different in behavior. Two looking similar people can be similar in behavior, different in behavior. Two similar people, two similar person can be different, can be different in behavior. Two similar person can be different in behavior because the two similar person have different behavior. They wear different dresses and they speak different way and they eat another way. So two similar people can be different in behavior. Behavior of each person is different. Behavior of each person is different. Can exact two person in a family can exact same? Can two person in a family exact same? Yes, two person in a family exact same when they are born together from same parent. When they are born together from a same parent, they look like same, exact same. They are known as identical twins. You know identical twins? They are known as two person in a family. They exact same. This kind of person, they are known as identical twins. You know who are the identical twins? Sometimes in your class, two students are look like same and they are coming from same family and they born together from a parent. This kind of child is known as identical twins. Twins look like similar. Twins look like similar. Here, what do you understand from looking similar or different? Family members are looking similar or different. Often, family members are looking similar. Family members are looking similar to their parents. similar nose, similar eyes, and a similar color to their parents. Two siblings may also similar. Two similar person can be different. In what ways two similar person can be different? Way of eating and way of speaking and way of dress. This all different because of behavior. Two similar person can be different in behavior. Behavior of each person is different. Behavior of each person is different. Then we have studied twins also look like same. Twins means they born together from a parent. They born together from a parent. They are known as identical twins. They look like same physical features or they look like same. Okay, do you understand this topic? What did you learn today? What did you learn today? Do you understand? Yes, I hope you understand. Today we have studied our first block. We started the lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1, this is lesson 1 and this is lesson 2. In lesson 1, we have studied, what did you learn? We have studied family. Family means people who living in a same house is known as family. There are different, we have studied different kinds of family. There are different kinds of family, big family, small family, single parent family and grandparent family. Among these, big family and small family, these are familiar with us and this is important kind of family. In a big family, many people living together in a same house where parents, grandparents, uncle, cousin and aunts, these all people are living together in a same house. This kind of houses or this kind of family is known as big family. Next one, small family. This is also known as nuclear family. In a nuclear family or small family, parent and their children living together. Parent and their children living together. Besides this, we have some other kind of families too. Single parent family and a grandparent family. In a single parent family, father and his children living together or mother and her children living together in a house. This kind of family is known as single parent family. Next one, grandparent family. In a grandparent family, grandparents and their children are living together. This kind of family is known as grandparents family. Next we have studied looking similar or different. That means the family members, often family members are similar each other. Looking similar, often all the family members are looking similar to their parents, grandparents or their siblings or their aunts, uncle. Here often family members are looking similar. Siblings may also similar looking persons. Then two similar person in our family, there are some we and our brothers or our cousins, some similarities are there, colors some similarity, or our nose, eyes, some similarities are there, but some differences also. In what ways differences can be there in two similar person? Two similar person can be different in behavior, way of eating, way of dressing and way of speaking. These all are depends upon the behavior of the people. So the behavior of each person is different. Then twins look like similar. In a family there is a twin. Twins look like same. That identical twins. That means that twins, they born together from a single parent. These twins look like same. They born together from a parent, that is known as twins or identical twins. These twins also look like similar. Okay, I hope you all are understood this topic. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Then if you have your workbook, you have to do your workbook S1 and S2. If you get your workbook, you have to do workbook S1 and S2. If you don't have, you have to do in notebook, or you don't have, after getting your workbook, you have to do S1 and S2. Okay, are you ready to do? Okay, I hope you all are understood this topic, and you have to draw on your notebook a family tree. Draw a family tree on your notebook. On your notebook, draw a family tree. This is your homework. If you have workbook, you have to do S1, S2. If you don't have, after getting, you will have to do S1 and S2. And draw a family tree on your notebook with the help of your parent. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.